Welcome to the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and today I'm going to be doing the front brakes on my Mercedes C300. Thanks for joining me. So this started out where I was just doing the front wheel bearings. However, I had to replace the CV axles, and I'm also doing the front brakes. So this is just its own video on replacing those front brakes. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so with the wheel off, the next step will be to remove that brake caliper. There's a couple of bolts on the back side, and then that caliper will just come off, and then I'll take the rotor off as well. Alright, so I'll go ahead and put that new brake rotor on. Okay, and then the brake pads. I'm not sure why I did this trying to remove these. I had left the bracket and the caliper bolted together, and guess what? It doesn't work that way. You do have to take that caliper and caliper bracket apart. It's just a couple of bolts, but if you've been watching this project, you know that it started out with wheel bearings and then went from that to the CV axles and now the brakes. And so I'm doing these all as separate videos. This is taking a long period of time to do all of this stuff, waiting for parts, things like that. So I just wasn't thinking, struggling to get those pads off of there. Finally did decide to remove the caliper and the bracket so I could get those removed and the new pads on. And then once those are on, you can just bolt this all back together.
You turn bolty bolt. How long do you want me to record you turning bolts? 3 or 4 days.
Just a few minutes. And there you go. That's what it looks like. Do have to put the wheel on it still, and then do the other side. And then this job will be done. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'd like to thank you for watching the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and I'll see you next time.